Hello everyone, this is Umair from Tutorials Hub, and in this video we will be discussing how to add discount on TikTok Shop or add promos to TikTok Shop. So this is going to be a step-by-step guide. Make sure you do not forget to watch a single step. Also, make sure to head over to the link in the description of this video using which you can now officially donate to this channel. So it is going to be super amazing if you actually do that. Now, talking about adding discount on TikTok Shop, it is quite simple. You need to follow a couple of steps. The first thing is obviously creating an account and then getting access to TikTok Shop partner portal. So you are going to be requesting that, and once you do that, you will be able to get your access. Once you get your access, you are going to be heading over to coupons section, and once you are there in the coupons, then you are going to be creating a new coupon. Once you create a new coupon, customize the terms of coupon. So like for example, what are going to be the criteria for that coupon, you are going to be setting that. Once you do that and all the customizations are done, then you are going to be designing and uploading coupon images, and then you are going to be renewing, publish your coupon and promote coupons, and finally monitor the optimized performance. So basically these are some of the steps that you need to follow, or you can also say that this is the roadmap to actually create your you can say like a discount code. So yeah, basically that's how easily you can get your coupon created and discount created on your TikTok. So that is quite simple. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to head over to the link in the description of this video using which you can now officially donate to our channel. So thank you so much and see you around the next couple of videos.